Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So super excited. I have got Happy Mail here, so I haven't opened it yet. I've obviously, you know, taken the address label off and just peeled the sellotape back, but I haven't actually looked inside yet. So it's from Laura. So thank you so much, Laura. I can't tell you how grateful I am for your lovely packages. I've never known people be so generous. So thank you so much. I really, really appreciate your kindness and thinking of me. It was just, yeah, really, really, really sweet of you. What is this? Oh, this is just wallpaper, which actually is rather lovely. So it's kind of textured and, yeah, rather nice. So, you know, ideal for covers and things like that, I think. Enclosed me a lovely card, which I will not open. Obviously, I won't turn it over there. I will open kind of off camera, but thank you. I love the way you even have decorated the envelope. It just looks super pretty, even just that. So thank you for that. I will open that a bit later on. Oh, I love the way that you've packaged this up. So there's something in here. I don't know what that is, but I love this green lace. If you watch my channel enough or a lot, you'll know that my favourite colour is green, so absolutely love it. And it looks so pretty. It's just been bound around with this gorgeous brooch, which just looks so gorgeous against the green. Oh, I've kind of gone all shaky. It's all excitement, so yeah, gone all shaky. So I love that brooch, that's gorgeous. But this lace is just lovely. I absolutely love this shade of green. It's kind of like an olive green, I suppose, but I just really, really love it. So yeah, thank you very much. I shall look forward to using that. So thank you. Oh, I love this piece. That's gorgeous. Yeah, really, really nice. Kind of could cut that into kind of, I guess, half and quarters and kind of use it on page corners, I think. Oh, these Happy Mail videos, they're really difficult because obviously you're kind of trying to look at it all yourself and feeling so excited, and also trying to kind of do an okay-ish job of doing a video. So always a bit tricky. I love this. This is wrapped in some sort of kind of table runner or a placemat, which is just lovely. Oh my gosh, look. She's enclosed a lot of her handmade tags and paper clips. I love these altered paper clips. They're gorgeous. I love this. Funnily enough, recently Laura said about the eyelash trim. I don't really tend to use eyelash trim. I've used it once or twice, but I don't really find that I get on with it very well. It's very delicate and I find it very tricky to handle. I've talked before, you know, about I'm quite clumsy and my hands kind of don't seem to operate in a really delicate way. So I find personally eyelash trim very tricky to use. Looks gorgeous on here though, I have to say, and I love the way you've put this butterfly on the flap of the envelope. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, I just love that. Really, really love it. And the envelope itself has been made from some sort of book page, so really gorgeous. Love this tag. That's really pretty. Really pretty. Yeah, I love it. I love that paper on the back. And this is so cute too. Oh, I feel really spoilt. Oh, I like this tag. This is gorgeous. I love the sheet music. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, I like this. This is a funky cluster. Kind of with the shiny, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got sort of metallic kind of paper. Really, really nice. Love the car. Oh, look. More clusters. These are gorgeous, Laura. Really, really nice. This one, I think, is really lovely. Oh, I like this one. This one's super fun, colourful and really nice. Oh, this is a nice envelope too, out of some book page. Love this on the flap. Oh, nice tag too. Oh, I love this one. Oh, that is so cute. This is, I think, one of my printables, and it's just been stitched around the edge. It looks lovely, isn't it? Weird when you see kind of something of your own in someone else's work and what they do with it. It's really nice to see. Oh, thank you very much. Loving all of this. I'm looking forward to looking through all this after the video, kind of in slow time, going through it all carefully. Look at these gorgeous books. Oh, I love this. The three pigs. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, this is just right up my street, Laura. Yeah, thank you very much. I just love kids' books and I love all the bright coloured images and things. So this is gorgeous. And they're just perfect sizes, the images in here, to be able to use them to make a journal. Love that. Thank you very much. Oh, look at this gorgeous one. Baby farm animals. Wow, look at those lovely images. They are gorgeous. Oh, I love them. Oh, look at the cute dogs. I'm thinking that my daughter might have to have this one because I think she will rather love this. She loves animals. So, oh, this is lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Thank you very much. Oh, look at this. Fire engines. I love these golden books. I think I've said before, but I don't think we actually get these here in the UK. So, yeah, they're really nice, aren't they? I love all these vibrant coloured images. They're just so gorgeous. Really, really lovely. Oh, look at this, the shy little kitten. Oh, it's so cute. I love even this page with all the little vegetables and things there. Oh, look. Again, gorgeous, gorgeous images in here. Really, really, really cute. Oh, look. So sweet. Oh, I love it. And oh wow, I love this pearl trim. Absolutely love these pearl strings, you know, and I quite like using them kind of in mini albums and things as a kind of tab, as a you know, for flaps and page turners and things. So love that. Oh, fabric galore in here. Look. Oh, look at all this lovely fabric. This is lovely. Look. Kind of oh, what is that? Like a kind of textured, kind of like a mock crocodile, but in velvet. It's really lovely. Oh, I like these nice, just plain felt kind of fabrics. They're really good. Very useful, these kinds of things. Oh, this is nice too. It's really soft. It's kind of like a felt, but more like a brushed cotton really. And this orange, that's lovely too. Again, just up my street, all these bright colours. This again is more of that kind of brushed cotton, really soft and beautiful. So, oh, they're lovely textures, these. Oh, look at this one. That's really fun, isn't it? Don't know quite what this fabric is. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite that would be that fabric. Not sure. Not sure what it is. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Again, I'm not quite sure what this fabric is. I don't know whether I've seen this type of fabric before, but it's very lovely. Oh, she's enclosed some eyelash trim. Are you challenging me now, Laura? So I'm going to have to use some. Oh, I shall do my best. I love all these little tags. I think I've got this tag punch actually. Yeah, they're lovely and all lovely colours. So I will try and give some eyelash trim. There you go. I'll see whether I can get on with it. Oh, look, more of that lovely fabric. This one's really weird. I don't know what this is. It's kind of like long strands. Really interesting. Really, really nice. Again, really good for you know, nice fun covers and things. Oh, I love this. Isn't that gorgeous lace? That's really nice trim, isn't it? Yeah, really, really nice. Can't wait to have a look through this in a moment, kind of in slower time. So I'm just kind of aware that obviously I'm getting absorbed in what I'm looking at and not really kind of paying much attention to what I'm actually doing. So, right. Oh, look at all these cute stamps. I'll have a look at those in slow time as well, but lots of cute ones there. Really nice ones for using on gorgeous cards and things. Gorgeous poetry book, look. This is from 19 1917, I think. Oh, 1903, look. Isn't this a lovely book? And again, more, you know, another book of verse. I love these books of verse. They're just lovely. I love the script that the titles there are written in. It's just gorgeous. Lovely. Thank you very much. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love this. Oh, what lovely images there are in here. This is gorgeous. Oh, I love this. I shall enjoy using this. Yeah, that's really, really lovely. Thank you very much. Oh, more goodies, look. Oh, I love this fabric. That is gorgeous. This reminds me a little bit of the bunny fabric that I used on one of my Beatrix Potter journals. I don't know why, because it's actually completely different, but there's just something about it that is reminding me of it. But I love this, yeah. Really, really nice. I look forward to using that on a cover. Oh, I love these pages. Aren't they gorgeous? Look, Jack and Jill. Oh, I love them. These are really, really lovely images. Oh, I love that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, these are beautiful. Yeah, really, really lovely. Lovely, even the ducks on there. Oh, look at this, the Grand Old Duke of York. Oh, I love all these pages. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful pages. Right, I shall look forward to looking through all this properly in a moment. So, oh, I love this. Oh, thank you so much, Laura. What a lovely, lovely surprise. And just, yeah, it arrived yesterday and I saved it for today till after I got home from work so that I had something to look forward to coming home to. So thank you very much. Really, really appreciate it all. And I shall be looking through it all in slow time in a minute. So yeah, thank you very much, Laura. That's just so kind of you. So yeah, really, really appreciate it all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.